Hey guys, Appliance Guy Online here. Today I want to do a quick video of what is going on with my Samsung 50-inch plasma TV and how I am going to attempt to fix it. So this is a Samsung 50-inch model HP S5053, and it was manufactured in September of 2006. So it's going on 15, almost 16 years old now. And I will quickly show you the problem that I am having with this television. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And it's kind of tough to see. I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but there is some green static, and my camera is not picking it up, but you can kind of see it right there on the no signal bar on the right hand side. It looks like green static, and you can really see it if there's a picture, and in the dark areas of the picture you can see the green static. And actually last night I was having a problem. The bottom half of the screen was going black. It was flashing black. Yeah, you can really see it there, the green static. So, what I am going to do is I'm going to remove the back cover and attempt to reseat some connections and just take a quick look around. So, I am going to start by taking all of these screws out around the perimeter of the TV. And I got this TV at the dump, by the way, for free, and there was a note on it that said it does work, but the picture is not perfect. So let me take these screws off and we'll go from there. So, in order to get the back cover off, there was screws all the way around the perimeter, and of course you have to take the stand off, and the stand screws are 1, 2, 3, 4. So take that off. There was a screw here, 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 here. You had to take the big ones out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, any screws you see on the back of the television are going to have to come out in order to get that back cover off. So I did that. I was hoping I wouldn't have to take it off the stand, but I do have to. So, got the back cover off. Set that aside. So this is the first time I'm looking at it inside. And so what I am going to do is I am going to be looking at the Y buffers. So this is a Y buffer, this is a Y buffer, and I believe it's called the Y mainboard, which is this one. And apparently these plasma televisions have a problem with this connection here not making a good connection, and this connection here. I believe that's what's going to be causing my issue with the green fuzzy, and the problem from last night with the bottom half of the screen blacking out. So it doesn't seem to be loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these screws loose and then maybe loosen all the ones that hold this board on and just unhook it and then hook it back and see, and then just plug it in and see if that fixes my condition. So after looking around a bit, I have come to the conclusion that these connections here look good. So basically what I did was I looked around. I don't see any obvious faults anywhere. I don't know, it looks like somebody may have been in here at one point because I see some hot glue on that connection there. But anyways, I fixed the problem. The green fuzziness is no longer on the screen, and it is back to a clear picture. And what I did was I went back here. You know, there is still a little tiny bit, but it's not bad, not as bad compared to what it was. Anyways, what I did was I came back here and I adjusted. There's two adjustments back here. There's that one, that blue one there, which you could just take a Phillips screwdriver, pointy tip, and adjust those. So there's that one there, and there is another one right there. And that one there is VA adjust, and the other one is VS adjust. So what I did was I adjusted the VA adjust a little bit. I turned it all the way one way, and it really made the screen green. I mean, it was green and fuzzy and all. It was just completely out of whack. I turned it all the way the other way, and it wasn't quite so bad, but it was still out of adjustment. So I turned it to where it looked best, and there was actually still a little bit of green static. So then I went up here to VS, and I adjusted that one, and I was able to adjust it just right to where there was no more fuzziness, no more green static anywhere on the screen. And it looks good. I mean, I'm happy with the outcome. You can't even barely see it at all. So that was my fix. As far as the black half of the screen being black on the bottom, flashing on and off last night, you know, what I'm thinking about doing was, because what I did here was I took all the screws out of the Y board. You can see I still have some of the screws out. I put one just to hold it in right there. But I took this off and I disconnected this connection and this connection. So I unhooked it and then I hooked it back up, which didn't change it. I did that before doing the adjustments, and that didn't change anything. So what I'm thinking I'm going to try next, and really this isn't trying it, I'm just on a whim here because I can't test it because it's obviously not doing the problem right now. I am going to take each one of these connectors off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take each one of those off and just take them off, blow them out, and just reseat them. And hopefully the bottom half of the screen flashing back, hopefully that problem does not come back. But otherwise, I now have a good working 50-inch TV for free. And even though it's over 15 years old, I do not care. It works. The picture looks good. It works as it should. The volume works good. So I am happy with this. I'm gonna turn the video on and show you how it looks. I mean, the volume works good, everything works good. So, I am happy. Anyways, I hope this helps somebody. Just to quickly summarize, the screen had green, fuzzy, staticky. So what I did was I took the back cover off, and I adjusted the VS adjustment, which is there, and I adjusted the VA adjustment, which is there, that blue Phillips screw, and that one there, and that fixed my problem. So I am going to go ahead and get this thing back together. Again, I hope this helps somebody that's having the same problem. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck with your repair.